Hi, greetings. Welcome to today's moment of calm. If you're feeling very isolated, afraid, concerned about what's going on in the world, particularly with the coronavirus 19 happening, today's meditation is very short, very simple, and it's really offered to help you find a moment of calm and peace to come back to center, to be present and come back to center. So to start off with, I invite you to find a really comfortable position, somewhere where you feel safe, supported and at ease. Maybe sitting down on the floor, on a chair, standing up, or even lying down on your back. The main thing is to really find a sense of ease and comfort in your body. And then I invite you to take a breath in and a full breath out. So let's breathe in and breathe out. And again, full breath in, full breath out. And then turn your awareness to your body. Just start to notice what you notice about what's happening in your body. Maybe you can sense some anxiety or butterflies or tension in your stomach. Maybe you can feel your breath being quite sharp and shallow. Maybe you even notice heat or coolness in your body. So just take a few moments just to notice what you notice around your body. And then just turn your attention to how you're feeling. Just see if you can get a sense, if you can label the feelings in your body, the emotions. Does it feel like there's a sense of sadness, loneliness, happiness, joy? What are you noticing? What are you sensing in your body right now? And again, there's no right or wrong way to feel or to notice. We're just lovingly bringing our awareness to naming, to labeling the feelings you can feel in and around your body. And maintain that connection, that awareness. Start to notice the thoughts. What are you thinking right now? Are you aware of the thoughts? And again, there's no right or wrong way to think or the thought or to judge the thoughts. It's just a thought. And maintain the awareness. Turn your attention to your breath. So don't change how you're breathing, but just start to notice what you notice about the way you breathe. Observe the in-breath and observe the exhale. Full breath in, full breath out. Full breath in, full breath out. Maintain that awareness, that connection with your breath. And then turn your attention to all the sounds you can hear in and around the room. So just start to listen to the sounds you can hear. Don't go chasing the sound, just allow them to come to you. As you gently and quietly scan the environment. And then just softly bring it all back to center. Place your hands on your heart center and just allow yourself to feel the warmth from your hands, nurturing, holding, supporting you. Allow your hands to guide you back to that place of calm, peace and quiet. And just know that no matter what you are going through, no matter what is happening out in the world, we can always come back to our heart, back to centre, back to that place of calm, peace and silence. So as you go through your day, I encourage you to take a moment every now and then to pause, place your hands on your heart and to breathe. Well done. Thank you. Well done. Give yourself a hug